Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Exam Point Notes. Today we are going to cover part 1 of class 12th biology chapter 5 Principle of Inheritance. Let's start. First question: the production of four gametes by parents, formation of zygote, the F1 and F2 plant can be understood from the diagram called A. Punnett square, B. Punnett square, C. Net square, D. Bullet square. The correct option is option number B, which is Punnett square. Next question. Question number 2. Identify the wrong statement with reference to the gene I that controls ABO blood group. Options are A. Person will have only two of the three alleles. B. When IA and IB are present together, they express same type of sugar. C. Allele I does not produce any sugar. D. The gene I has three alleles. The correct option is option number B. When IA and IB are present together, they express same type of sugar. This is a wrong statement because here they expresses different type of sugar. Next question. Question number 3. How many true breeding pea plants varieties did Mendel select as pair which were similar except in one character with contrasting trait? Options are A 2, B 14, C 8, D 4. The correct option is option number B, which is 14. Next question. Question number 4. The number of contrasting characters studied by Mendel for his experiment was A4, B2, C7, D 14. The correct option is option number C, which is 7. Next question. Question number 5. Among the following characters, which one of the following was not considered by Mendel in his experiment on pea? Options are A. Stem, tall or dwarf, B. Trichomes, glandular or non-glandular, C. Seed, green or yellow, D. Pod, inflated or constricted. The correct option is option number B, which is trichomes, glandular or non-glandular. Next question. Question number 6. Which one from those given options in the period for Mendel's hybridization experiment? A. 1856 to 1863, B. 1840 to 1850, C. 1857 to 1869, D. 1870 to 1877. The correct option is option number A, which is 1856 to 1863. Next question. Question number 7. A true breeding plant is A. Nearly homozygous and produces offspring of its own kind. B. Always homozygous, recessive in its genetic constitution. C. One that is able to breed on its own. D. Produced due to cross-pollination among unrelated plants. The correct option is option number A, which is nearly homozygous and produces offspring on its own kind. Next question. Question number 8. How many pairs of contrasting character in pea plants were studied by Mendel in his experiment? Options are A 8, B 7, C 5, D 6. The correct option is option number B, which is 7. Next question. Question number 9. A man with blood group A marries a woman with blood group B. What are all the possible blood groups of their offspring? Options are A, B, AB and O only, A and B only, AB and AB only. The correct option is option number A, which is AB, AB and O. Next question. Question number 10. Multiple alleles are present A at the same locus of the chromosome, B on non-sister chromatids, C on different chromosomes, D. At different loci on same chromosome. The correct option is option number A, which is at the same locus of the chromosome. Next question. Question number 11. Alleles are A. Different molecular forms of a gene. B. Heterozygote. C. Different phenotype. D. True breeding homozygote. The correct option is option number A, which is different molecular form of genes. Next question. Question number 12. A gene showing codominance have A. Alleles tightly linked on the same chromosome. B. Alleles that is recessive to each other. C. Both alleles independently expressed in the heterozygote. D. One allele dominant to the other. The correct option is option number C, which is both alleles independently expressed in heterozygote. Next question. Question number 13. In his classic experiment on pea plants, Mendel did not use A. Pod length, B. Seed shape, C. Flower position, D. Seed color. The correct option is option number A, which is pod length. Next question. Question number 14. Which Mendelian idea is depicted by a cross in which the F1 generation resembles both the parent? Options are A. Codominance, B. Incomplete dominance, C. Law of dominance, D. Inheritance of gene. The correct option is option number A, which is codominance. Next question. Question number 15. A test cross is carried out to A. Determine the genotype of the plant at F2, B. Predict whether two traits are linked, C. Access the number of alleles of a gene, D. Determine whether two species of variety will breed successfully. The correct option is option number A, which is determine the genotype of plant at F2. Next question. Question number 16. Test cross in plants or in Drosophila involves crossing A. the F1 hybrid with double recessive genotype, B. between two genotype with dominant trait, C. between two genotype with recessive trait, D. between two F1 hybrids. The correct option is option number A, which is the F1 hybrid with double recessive genotype. Next question. Question number 17. Which one of the following cannot be explained on the basis of Mendel's law of dominance? A. Out of one pair of factors, one is dominant to the other is recessive. B. Alleles do not show any blending and both the character recover as such in F2 generation. C. Factors occur in pairs. D. Discrete unit controlling a particular character is called factor. The correct option is option number B, which is alleles do not show any blending and both the character recover as such in F2 generation. Next question. Question number 18. Heterozygosity or dominance of phenotype can be determined by A. Back cross, B. Test cross, C. Reciprocal cross, D. Hybrid cross. The correct option is option number B, which is test cross. Next question. Question number 19. The number of phenotype in ABO blood group is A1, B4, C6, D8. The correct option is option number B, which is 4. Next question. Question number 20. Question number 20. Test cross involves A. Crossing between two genotype with dominant trait, B. Crossing between two genotype with recessive trait, C. Crossing the F1 hybrid with double recessive genotype, D. Crossing between two F1 hybrids. So this question, you have to answer this question, and if you know the answer, to comment in the comment section. So thank you and stay tuned for the second part of this chapter.